Okay, Matt the Mortgage Guy here. September 3rd, 2020. I want to record this video, a quick update with FHFA's funding fee getting delayed. So before I get into that, if you're watching this on YouTube, I ask that you please subscribe to the channel if you want good mortgage advice, good info as it relates to mortgage, real estate financing. That's that. Smash the like button. YouTube algorithm lets more people see this. I appreciate it. You appreciate it. People that see it appreciate it. So without further ado, on August 12th, FHFA, Fannie and Freddie, announced this refinance fee is basically what it is. And people were up in arms. They did it after hours. It hit all these lenders' rate sheets by the time everyone got into the office on Thursday the 13th. And really, people were rightfully upset because of all people to put a tax on the American people in a year where a lot are suffering, a lot are looking to refinance to help their financial situation, to tax them, to pad the coffers of this big government subsidized entity seemed wrong. And we won't get into that, but what happened was after a few weeks of him and Han associations saying, you gotta repeal this is complete BS. They said, okay, we hear you. We'll delay this until December 1st, 2020. Now, my personal opinion, that doesn't help. It really doesn't. Repealing it altogether and being like, you know what? More billions for us, 2,000, 2,500 from every American. We'll keep it in the Americans' pockets. That would have been the right thing to do. Delaying it does next to nothing. And here's what I want this update to kind of let people know. A lot of people are like, hey, listen, loan being delivered by December 1st, maybe that means that lenders on mid-November, early November are gonna start implementing this because they know they're gonna sell it to Fannie and Freddie. And then when they say delivered to, that's when this charge is gonna take place. It's very close. Here we are, September 3rd, 2020. It's very close to hit the rate sheets. And if you owned a bakery and your product price was gonna go up 3 months down the road, you might start charging 10, 20, 50 cents more per bagel, knowing that in the future, those cost of goods are gonna be more expensive. So no doubt that lenders, whether they'll admit it or not, are gonna start adding a little bit to the rate sheet. And it might not be the half a point, the 50 basis points that is coming December 1st. It might be 5 tomorrow. It might be 5 next Tuesday. There's really no way to tell because lenders price and reprice and things fluctuate in the mortgage market where pricing changes. You wouldn't be able to tell if it was like, hey, listen, as an organization, let's do a little bit next Tuesday. Let's sprinkle a little bit on there September 15th. We'll sprinkle a little more September 24th. Whatever it is, ultimately, it got delayed, but it's still gonna hit as a refinance fee to all consumers. So some people might be out there saying, refinance now, well, rates are still great. Rates are great now. They're gonna be great. They're likely continue to be great. But this is just upsetting that this little refinance fee, a little bit less great of terms that we're gonna have on refinances, really hurts a lot of these consumers that I'm so happy I can help with, $200, $300, $400 a month in savings at a time they really need it. So that's your update. FHFA refinance fee. It's a loan level price adjustment for adverse market conditions, whatever they put in their fancy writing. It's still coming. It's coming December 1st now, instead of that same day implementation they had on August 12th, where like at 5 o'clock, they just sent out a bulletin. By the way, y'all, we're charging more for refinance loans across the board. Thanks, sorry. So December 1st, 2020, it's coming. And like I said, I think it's already gonna start getting worked in. So if you've got a deal that makes sense, if you like it, lock it. That's what I say. If you're not refinancing until 2021, rates are still gonna be great. So really, I wouldn't let this affect too many life decisions. Just know, that's all this is, information. So thanks for watching. Appreciate anybody who got it this far in the video, and we'll make some more good content to help out the consumers as things come up. Thanks, bye.